No joke, this actually works 100%. Just mix only two simple leaves together and you see your hair start growing like crazy in just 3 weeks of using it. Your bald spots will fill back, your edges will grow back, no more hair fall and hair breakage. Honestly, if you have tried almost everything before, hair oil, hair butter, hair cream or hair serum, they are not working for you. This simple herb mix will give you that real result faster than you can ever imagine. So now let me show you how to make it and how to use it so that you can achieve that faster result from 3 weeks. Our first ingredient is neem leaf. I'm using dry neem leaf. Neem leaf is like ancient miracle leaf that works like magic on the scalp. It helps fight dandruff, irritation, and those scalp infections that can stop your hair from growing. Neem leaf deeply cleans the scalp, unclog your hair follicles, and boost blood flow so your roots can finally breathe again. Every time I use it, my scalp felt cleansed, calm, and alive. It's like resetting your scalp from the inside and outside. So I make use of 1 full hand of my dry neem leaf. Our second ingredient is moringa leaf. Moringa is pure nourishment. This leaf is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and proteins that your hair has been begging for. It strengthens weak strands, reduce breakage, and make your hair grow faster and thicker. Moringa feed your scalp the exactly nutrients it needs. It brings your hair back to life, soften, fullness, and healthy from the root to the tip. I also make use of full hand of my dry moringa leaf. When these two come together, it's not just hair care, it's like giving your scalp new life, strong roots, faster growth, and your hair will finally rest. So I transfer all of them into my jar, okay, because I'm doing infused method. But if you are using the fresh leaf of them, you can just boil them. If also you are using the powder leaves, you can also boil them or do infused method, okay. So I'll pour in hot water into it. I will keep it aside to infuse for overnight so that I can release their nutrients properly. Those two leaves are full of natural nutrients that wake up your hair roots and boost blood flow and also stop your scalp buildup so your scalp can finally grow faster and free. So do not joke with this recipe. This will grow your hair, like as I said, from 3 weeks. You'll be very shocked at the results. There is no joke, okay? So if you're not ready to grow your hair, if you're not ready to see change on your hair, don't prepare this recipe, okay? So once I keep it aside for overnight, this is what I have so far. As you can see, the leaf had changed in color, the water have also changed in color, the nutrients of the two leaves had released into the water. So if you do boiling method, in less than 30 minutes or 1 hour, this recipe will be ready for you to use, okay? But I like doing infused method because I'm 100% sure that all the nutrients, they have super intact, okay? I'm not losing anything from this recipe, okay? But if you do boiling method, you have chance to lose some nutrients of these powerful two leaves, okay? So if you know how to do boiling method in a proper way, go ahead and do your boiling method. But if you don't know, I will advise you to do infused method so this recipe can work perfectly well on your hair, okay? So the next thing I do now is to bring my bowl and my shifter to collect my powerful recipe. This is all we need to grow this our hair. You don't need to break the bank, you don't need to spend too much money before you can have that healthy hair. The few things around you can help you to achieve your hair goal. So these two leaves, I believe that is everywhere and also is very easy to find, okay? So to activate it more, I add some drop of essential oils, okay? Essential oil will take it to the next level. But if you don't have any essential oil, please just use the tea the way it is and you get that good result, okay? So I'll transfer it to my applicator bottle for easy application. Then I will now show you how to use it because the way you use this on your hair will determine if you get that good result or not. So there are two factors in this recipe. First is to prepare it properly. Secondly is the way you apply it on your hair. So if you can get these two things right, believe me, this recipe will be your game changer. Okay. Now, let me demonstrate to you on how you can use this powerful simple tea spray to achieve your hair goals. This tea spray is very simple to use, but if you can follow the instruction I will give to you in this video, you will definitely get that good results. So one of the best way you can use this tea spray to get that good result is by using it as your leave-in treatment. Hold on, it's not just applying it on your hair and allow it to be on your hair. No, there are some things you need to do to activate it so that it will work so well, so that you can get all the whole benefit with this tea spray. Okay, so the first thing you need to do before you apply this tea spray on your hair so that you can get that good result is to use this tea spray in a warm form. Do not use it in a cold form. In a warm form, I mean is bring hot water in a bowl. Keep this your tea spray on top of it. Allow it to heat up a little bit. Once it has heat up a little bit, then go ahead and apply it on your hair. And as you apply it on your hair, make sure you are massaging your scalp so that it will penetrate very well in your hair follicles so that it can give you that good results. Okay. The second thing you need to do after applying the tea spray, follow up with a good hair growth oil. Use the hair growth oil on your scalp. Use it and massage your scalp together with the tea spray. Another thing you need to do is to follow up with your leave-in conditioner, then seal in with your hair growth butter. Guys, if you can follow this instruction, this tea spray, in 3 weeks time you'll be very shocked at the result we got with this tea spray. It's very simple but very potent. So another thing you do after doing this step, then tuck in your hair. Don't allow your hair to be flying away. Tuck in your hair. Another thing you do again is to bring your shower cap or your cellophane nylon or your steamy cap to cover up your hair to trap some heat from 10 minutes to 20 minutes. Then remove it and allow your hair to air dry. Make sure you massage your scalp properly. Give yourself a gentle scalp massage from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Okay, then allow your hair to air dry. If you can repeat this 3 to 4 times in a week, I kid you not, your hair will grow like crazy. If you can also go on challenge by applying it every day on your hair for straight 1 week or 2 weeks, I kid you not, the way your hair will grow, you'll be very shocked at the results. These two powerful leaves, they are game changer, they are banger. They are very powerful in giving you that faster hair growth, especially if you are dealing with hair breakage, hair loss, stagnant hair growth, itchy scalp, dandruff, and so many of them. This recipe can be a game changer for you. If other ones are not working for you, this particular one, 100% sure it will definitely work for you if you follow the instruction I gave to you. Do not just apply it on your hair and just leave your hair like that, or you bring it out from fridge and just apply it on your hair in that cold form. Guys, you will never get any result. It will be like the recipe are not working. But for those that will follow the instruction I give out now, they will come back and testify, because this is not joke. It works so magic. So make sure you follow all the full step I give to you. You can go ahead and save this video so that whenever I want to use it, you watch the video, and so that you remember every step I tell you to follow. If you can follow them up, believe me, before that 3 weeks, you'll be very shocked at the result. You'll be asking yourself if your hair can grow like this. You'll be asking yourself if your hair problem can solve like this. Yes, it can. When you use a good product and when you follow the instruction, it will definitely work. Okay, so you don't need to worry anything about the smell of this. You don't need to worry anything about any after effects or anything. This is 100% pure natural, so you don't need to worry yourself. And also, you do not smell any horrible. Okay, just leave it on your head. Don't rinse it out. Please, I repeat, do not rinse it out. If you want to get a good result, do what I said and you come back and tell me thank you. After 3 weeks of using this, your hair will be more thicker, fuller, and your scalp will feel so clean. You'll start noticing baby hair along your hairlines, something you can never see in 1 month. So please do not sleep on this one. Try this neem and moringa mix from now to the next month and come back and tell me your new results. So you can also save this video so that you do not forget the recipe, and drop a comment, say hair growth, okay? If you want me to post my oil version of this next. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please, if you have not joined this amazing family, do well to subscribe, and believe me, you will never regret it, okay? And once you subscribe, please make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that you'll be always notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this, okay? Thank you so much for subscribing, okay? And also, if you have not liked this video, please do well to click on that like button. It helps the growth of the channel, and also it motivates me a lot to bring more great videos for you guys, okay? Lastly, please share this video to your family and friends so that they can also get the good news on today's video. So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you most. If there's anything I did not cover up in this video, feel free to let me know in comment section below. So let's keep the engagement up, okay? I love you guys so much. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.